Okay, as I said on the last part of the last video number 3, now we're going to test it as if I was a customer. First of all, you will see two objects here. This one says touch for a guided tour and replace with your own the texture with your own. Here you can replace, for instance, with your logo and says click here for a guided tour, make another object. This object is modified, or you can make your own, and right next to it, in this case, you're going to see rotate to set the right rest position. Okay, and touch to hide. This works like this. When a person comes and you already have your path thing that we just did, I'm going to remove this hood right now. They're going to click here and instantly it's going to appear what kind of vehicle do you have. We're here will provide you with two vehicles, one for 4 people and one for 2 people, for the people to choose which one they want to use. They are going to work exactly the same. So in this case, I'm going to select the 2 people one, and it's going to show here. This object is temporary. Why? Because as long as someone is sitting on it, it's going to exist. Now when you sit on it, you're going to get an instant start button. Also, everyone in the cart is going to get the start button. The first one that clicks it is going to be using it. So here we go, start. It's going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Actually, I am going to stand up and just look at it going towards the path that I just created. I don't need to stay in the cart. Okay, now see, it's stopped there. There's no more debug information. Actually, it disappeared because as I said, it is temporary and I'm not sitting on it, but it would have ended the path. Now let's say that I don't want the cart. If I click right now here, you will see that the cart is going to face this way, but I don't want the cart facing that way. I want this cart to start here and face this way. So what I do is that I rotate the resin object, and I'm going to click it, select the 4 people one in this case, and as you can see now the cards appear here and it works exactly the same. I sit, I get the start button, it's going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go, towards beacon 1, remember, beacon 2, now speed, beacon 3, beacon 4, we're going towards beacon 5. Here you can see the other one disappeared. Beacon 6, remember, this is a point of interest. We're going to stay here for 5 seconds. Beacon 7, beacon 8, and let's go towards beacon 9. And the ride is going to end and it's going to kick me out. There we go. End of ride, thank you. And it whispered that it's going to start again. That's not right. Okay, now let's say that I'm happy with this texture and I'm happy where this is located, so I'm just going to click on this one and hide it. Now people will only see the cards when they get rest. See, and then they can write it or whatever they want and do what they are supposed to do. I'm going to stand up. I don't want to write it again. Okay, as you can see, also this one became phantom. that's at the end what your potential user is going to see. Just touch for a guided tour and he or she or his friends and him are going to go and do the whole tour. This card is going to disappear in a second. Okay, there are things that came into mind. For instance, what would happen if I had to go through a wall? Sometimes you just have to go through a wall. This guided tour, I'm going to show the beacons again. I made this guided tour so it's able to go through any wall. Actually, it will go even through the floor. So here it is. I'm going to place a fake wall here. Big, huge fake wall. There we go. Well, I'm gonna make it there. That could be a wall from any mall or anywhere. So I'm going to write it with the wall onto people. Sit here. It's gonna ask me to start. It's gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Beacon 1, beacon 2. Remember, we set it some speed at beacon 3. Beacon 4, and here comes the wall. And yes, we can cross walls. And the wall is not phantom. I'm going to show you that the wall is not phantom. I'm going to stand up and try to cross it while walking. Can't. So yes, it will go through walls. On the next part of this video, part 5, I'm going to show you how to make a very easy customized card for your own. If you don't like the two that we provide with the kit, you can make your own. It's actually very easy, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Thank you.